Unbelievable car gadgets that redefine driving. Did you know that the average person spends over 4 years of their life behind the wheel? Yup, you heard me right. 4 whole years. So why not make that time unforgettable with some unbelievable tech? Let's dive into it. Our first stop on this wild tech adventure is number 1, Pile Heads-Up Display. Transform your windshield into a high-tech display for navigation, speed, and more. You can level up your ride with this gadget. It's like having a tech wizard in your car, giving you all the deets you need while keeping your eyes on the road. It's got it all: speed, RPM, water temperature, voltage, fuel consumption, and even those chill vibes like shift reminders and fatigue warnings. Plus, it's got alarms for high water temps and overspeeding. Safety first, right? No stress with installation either. It's plug and play, no sweat. And peep the multicolored display. It's lit day or night. So hit the gas on this upgrade and let your ride become a tech paradise. Get yours today and keep the good vibes rolling. Number 2, LandMoto Vast Pro Night Vision System. Get ready to take your driving game to the next level and see clearly at night with this night vision camera system. This bad boy's all about the vibes with dual 1080p full color videos even in the darkest of nights. It's like having eyes in the back of your head with that rear camera and the 984-foot night view distance. Safety upgrade unlocked. Plus, it's got loop recording, a G sensor, and 24-hour parking monitor, so your car's always covered. Easy install, fits almost any car, and comes with all the goods you need. Say goodbye to accidents and hello to worry-free driving. It's time to stay lit out there, fam. Number 3, Automotive Diagnostic Scanner. Say goodbye to those car troubles and annoying warning lights with this gadget. No Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is needed, just plug and play. It's a game changer for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, and anyone tired of car headaches. This bad boy's got auto VIN tech, so it knows your car's deets in a snap. Plus, it reads and clears trouble codes for 98% of your ride systems, from engine to AC. And get this, it's a money saver. With 25 plus special reset services, you'll boost your car's performances, save on fuel, and slash those repair costs. Cha-ching! Get the SC880 and be the boss of your ride. Time to ride smooth and smart. Number 4, Nonda Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor. Enables real-time tire pressure and temperature monitoring through your smartphone. It's your trusty co-pilot for the road. It's time to say goodbye to those sneaky slow leaks and hello to instant warnings. And here's the kicker, it's a fuel saver too. Keep those tires in check and you'll be rolling smoother and cheaper. Oh, and did I mention it's a DIY dream? Install this bad boy in just 10 minutes, no sweat. Get the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor to keep those tires and your wallet happy. Number 5, Jump Starter Car Battery Pack. Your new best travel buddy, the powerful Jump Starter, a lifesaver on the road. It can jumpstart a depleted car battery in seconds, and it's a beast for both diesel and gasoline engines up to 8 liters. It's like having a superhero in your glove box. Safety first, right? It's got 9 intelligent protections, including spark-proof and reverse polarity, so no more worries about misconnections. But wait, there's more. It's a 6-in-1 road trip kit, a jump starter, power bank, compass, LED torch, and wireless charger, all in one. Plus, it's got a digital LCD screen and is weatherproof for any adventure. So get ready to hit the road with confidence and never let a dead battery ruin your trip again. Number 6, Voltorb Car Air Purifier. Your ticket to breathing fresh and clean air on the road. This little powerhouse combines HEPA and activated carbon filters to annihilate dust, smoke, pollen, pet fuzz, and even odors as tiny as 0.1 microns. That's like having a personal air spa in your car. Number 7, Statgear Rescue Escape Tool. Your new essential travel buddy. It's small, mighty, and ready for action when you need it most. It comes with a solid stainless steel seatbelt cutter that's always there to free you and your loved ones in case of an accident. It's got a carbide tip glass breaker to shatter windows and get you out of sticky situations like a true hero. And the best part? It's right there on your car visor, easily accessible and a breeze to use. Nylon grip for a sturdy hold. This tool is a must-have in your emergency kit. So whether you're a solo road warrior or share your ride with family and friends, this pack of 2's got you covered. Get yours today and drive with confidence, knowing you've got a lifesaver by your side. Number 8, Cobra Smart Dash Cam, your trusty co-pilot for the road. It's not just a dash cam, it's your ultimate front row seat with full HD 1080p resolution for both the front and the car's interior. Dual view, double protection. Stay one step ahead with real-time driver alerts, red light, speed cameras, and even radar detector alerts powered by the road-savvy crowd. Plan your trips like a pro with addresses, keywords, and traffic alerts at your fingertips. And that's not all. Heads-up navigation keeps you on track with on-screen notifications for upcoming turns. No more missed exits or late arrivals. But here's the kicker. Exclusive live police alerts on screen, including radar speed zones and speed camera locations. Drive smarter, safer. So why wait? Make the Cobra SC201 your road companion and hit the streets with confidence and style. Oh, and hold on a second, fam. Before we dive into more mind-blowing tech, let's take a pit stop. You know what's even cooler than these gadgets? Hitting that like button. Go ahead, give it a little tap like you're trying to set a new high score in a driving game. Now let's get back to the gadgets. Number 9, Pioneer App Radio 4. It's like having a smartphone party on your touchscreen. This game changer lets you bring your phone's apps right to your dash, calendar, maps, photos, and more. It's all there at your fingertips. Just snag Pioneer's free App Radio app for your iPhone or Android and connect it to your App Radio receiver with the right Pioneer kit. Boom! You got the power of your favorite apps right in your ride. It's not just about apps, though. You get voice control for Siri eyes-free, Bluetooth hands-free calling, audio streaming, and a slick new user interface. Stay connected and stay cool. So why wait? Join the App Radio party and level up your driving experience. Cruise and groove in style with the ultimate in-vehicle smartphone tech. Number 10, Vencent Smart Wireless Parking Sensor. Say goodbye to parking anxiety and meet your new road companion. It's a game changer for parking and making your life easier. No more fussing with wires or shelling out big bucks for installation. This sensor is 100% wireless and hands-free. And here's the magic. Instant alerts right on your phone, whether you're an Android or iOS fan. No more dilly-dallying. The app launches automatically on Android and gives you a click-to-launch notification. Plus, you can even tell Siri or Google to open it for you. Rain or shine, it's got your back with extreme weather resilience. And don't worry about maintenance. Bluetooth 4.1, 5-month battery life, and a 5-minute install. Easy peasy. This isn't just any parking sensor, it's the smartest one in town, so level up your parking game and drive with confidence. Number 11, No Cry Cut Resistant Gloves. Your all-in-one protection against whatever the road throws your way. Made with 5 cut-resistant materials, they're like an extra layer of armor for your hands, perfect for those rugged pit stops and outdoor escapades. With superior grip and a snug elastic fit, you can handle tasks like a pro without worrying about slips or accidents. From prepping on-the-go snacks to crafting pit stops, these gloves keep your hands safe and sound. So hit the road with these trusty gloves and elevate your car adventures to a whole new level. Whether you're slicing snacks or crafting memories, these gloves are the perfect sidekick for your next epic journey. Number 12, Backtrack S80 Professional Breathalyzer. With pro-grade accuracy powered by a platinum-based Extend fuel cell sensor, this gadget is on par with hospital and law enforcement tech. But here's the kicker, it's incredibly easy to use. Just pop in the included AA batteries, power it up, and you're ready to roll. You can even customize units and BAC thresholds to fit your needs. One button, no fuss. It's not just trusted, it's officially approved too, by the US DOT, NHTSA, and even cleared by the FDA for personal use. Safety-conscious individuals and businesses, this one's for you. So stay responsible, stay safe, and hit the road with confidence. Number 13, YCYL AntiSlip Cardash Grip Pad. Your go-to solution for a hands-free, hassle-free ride. This marvel rotates a full 360 degrees, giving you the power to adjust your phone's angle however you like. Whether it's horizontal or vertical, it's got you covered. Say goodbye to awkward viewing angles. And installation? Forget the fuss. It's a one-piece, multifunctional anti-slip mat. No magnets, screws, or suction cups are needed. Just place it and you're good to go. Easy peasy. Worried about your contact number? No problem. With the rotating display, you choose whether to show it or not. Plus, we've got you covered with digital stickers to make it visible even from outside your car. Safety and style combined. It's made of high-quality PVC material, so it's oil-resistant, elastic, and built to last. No weird smells here, just a fresh car environment. And here's the kicker. It's not just a phone holder, it's got a built-in aromatherapy box. Pop your favorite aromatherapy stick into the clover holes and let it fill your car with a delightful scent. Drive in style and comfort. Number 14. Lumbar Back Support Spine Alignment. Your secret weapon for ultimate spine-hugging, sweat-free comfort. This lumbar support is designed with your spine in mind. Its ergonomic shape fits your spine's curve like a glove, providing you the support you need. Say goodbye to those pesky aches and pains. But here's the magic. It's not one size fits all. With adjustable height, you get 5 levels to find your sweet spot. Whether you're taller or shorter, this support has your back, literally. And the ventilation, it's on point. No more sweaty backs in the summer heat. The hollow leaf design ensures you stay cool and comfy, even during long hours. It's a must-have for a pain-free, comfy day ahead. Number 15. Lopez Shade Automobile Protection Umbrella. It's not just a shelter, it's your portable fortress against the elements. Installation, a breeze. With a simple click on the remote control, it opens and closes in a swift 30 seconds. No fuss, no hassle, just pure convenience. And when it's time to hit the road, it's a champ in portability. Fold it up to a sleek 33 inches and toss it in the included storage bag. It's only 5.6 kilograms. It won't weigh down your trunk one bit. Did we mention it's a one-click wonder? Yup, the remote control does all the work. It's like magic for your car. But here's where it truly shines. It's your shield against snow, UV rays, and rain. Made of sturdy 10D Oxford cloth, it lowers your car's temperature, fights off water pressure, and even resists rust with its 304 stainless steel. Snowy or stormy day? No problem, it's got your back. And there you have it, the most unbelievable car gadgets that will seriously redefine your driving game. These gadgets offer a wide range of functions, from enhancing safety to improving convenience and entertainment during drives. But before we shift into park, remember to do 2 things for us. First, subscribe if you haven't already, because we're always on the hunt for the coolest tech. And second, share this video with your fellow road warriors. Let's make their drives as epic as yours. Keep it techie, stay safe on the road, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.